It's that time of the year again when the blooming roses are taking the internet by storm, so I'm going to teach you step by step how to do them. So we're starting off with a completely black base. Cure it for 60 seconds. Then you want to go in with your blooming gel of choice. All the products I'm using are linked below. Make sure that it's not too thick, the layer of blooming gel. You want to make sure that it's thin enough so that it doesn't pool all over and ruin your design. And don't cure it. Next, you want to take a white gel polish of choice and a tiny brush. And you want to start off by drawing a tiny little C in the center there, just like I did. Then you want to put a little blob of white gel at the opening of that C and then drag it out on either side. Then on to the left of that C, you want to do that again. So basically you're drawing kind of really wide C's, and at every opening is where you want to draw your next petal, so to speak, and put the middle part of that petal at the opening of every other C, if that makes sense. So you'll see me kind of doing it here. Once you have no more room and the petals get too big to draw C's, then you just kind of fill it in as you see fit, just like I'm doing here. Then you want to cure it for 60 seconds, but we're not done yet. You want to take the white gel polish again and draw very thin lines on the edges of those C's. You'll see me doing it here on the little C in the center. I'm drawing it just on the edge part. We want the centermost parts of the C's and everything to be like the brightest and the most red. This is going to allow us to create that three-dimensional rose look. So you're going to keep doing that all the way around. You'll see me doing it here and you'll get the idea. Make sure to really follow it. So here you'll see me curving it a little bit. That's very important. You want it to be as petal-like as possible. So keep doing this and I'll be back with the next step. After you've cured that for 60 seconds, then you want to take your red jelly polish that you're using and fully coat this design. For me, I had to go over it a little bit. Like you'll see me, it's not going on as smooth because there are layers underneath it. So you just want to make sure that you're filling in all those little lines and make sure that you're getting it fully saturated and that it is a clean layer of the red jelly. And don't forget to cure it. When you're done, it should be looking something like this. Then you can choose to either glossy top or matte top. Here I have both options that you can see, and you can decide which one you like better or which one your client likes better. I hope you like this tutorial. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know what you'd like to see next. Bye!